Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property and I'm really excited to be able to show you through this stunning single level home at 30 Driftwood Street in Peregian Beach. Live the ideal subtropical life in style on this corner block that enjoys very few neighbours and a view to the pool from almost every room. Built with a block fence and custom knotwood gates, this is a home of quality construction from the inside out. The home benefits from its high ceilings and ample natural light that pours through the windows. It's very well zoned with the master suite and separate living at the rear, and then a large open plan kitchen, dining and living room in the centre of the home that opens to the alfresco, fire pit and travertine paved pool. Thanks so much for watching. 30 Driftwood Street is a home for all seasons. Enjoy the free-form fire pit through winter and splash in this stunning north-facing pool the rest of the year. I'm Joel Hood and I look forward to meeting with you soon.